All right, so here we have the MySmile Mint Refreshing Mouthwash. Prevents cavities, it's free from alcohol, non-burning formula, and fresh breath on the go. This right here is a 30 pack, and check these things out. There is a lot of them here. These are great. First of all, if you forget to mouthwash, maybe you have gross feeling breath and you're driving to work, it'd be nice to have a bunch of these in your car, and then you can just kind of swoosh them around. These would also be great if you're traveling on a plane for a long period of time and you wake up sleeping on the plane and it's kind of gross. I've done that many times. Something like this would be so good to have. And yeah, so we're gonna open this thing up just like so. You can easily tear it open. There's a little guide there, and then you're going to that is very, very overwhelmingly, in a good way, fresh in your mouth. Wow, that is that tastes so good. So yeah, these are great. Like, man, what a difference. Like, I don't even think that I needed it just then, and I could feel a huge difference in my mouth. And it's just so fresh. So if you're someone that's looking to have some fresh breath in your life, make sure you check these out. These are great on the go, and highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.
Now, right.